Hi everyone. So this is CA Kaushik Mukesh and I am here today to make one very important announcement with regard to the CA final, and this announcement is with regard to the CA final regular batch classes, and the second announcement is with regard to the charts and question bank. Okay, so lot many persons are putting a query. Okay, so to answer them, let's not put message to each and everyone. Let's make a direct announcement such that it reaches people at large. So with regard to the first, when it comes to the classes, so the new classes are available. So new recordings are available. Totally how many hours, everything let me explain clearly such that you can plan to buy the course. So the classes availability and what are the subject that is covered, let me explain. So the subject is paper 4, corporate and economic laws. Next, this is number 1. Number 2, corporate and economic laws paper 4. And second one, with respect to the second one, number of hours. With this, I want to make one small, a particular thing I want to explain to all the students at large. Sir, first and foremost thing, law classes, complete full length classes, we can't expect it to be completed within 150-155 hours, sir. The latest paper trend is very, very clear that each and every point inside the Bail Act should be read, interpreted and understood, or else we can't crack the law paper. It was damn clear from the intention of the institute. So from the very beginning stage, I use it to record the classes in such a way that use it to take the Bail Act. Each and every point inside the Bail Act, every word, every phrase, I use it to explain why that was used, what could be the lawmaker's intention. If any of your juniors have taken the classes, you can also ask them what depth we will be taking the law subject. Because of that reason, classes use it to go beyond 190-200 hours. Okay. So this time also, I in that area, I will not change at any point of time, because I cannot change according to the need of what the student is asking. I have to be on the mark with the subject. Okay. So because student has to come in tune with the subject, subject should not come in tune with the student. That's wrong to the core. When we are learning, we should learn as per the requirements of the subject. Subject should not come to your requirement. We should come to the requirement of the subject. There we are going wrong. 140, 150, 160 hours la completion is impossible, sir, just because of one reason. Take the subject detail. Technically there are, okay, small and big economic laws. There are 7 economic laws are there. 7 economic laws are there. Okay. Along with 7 economic laws, in Companies Act, we will be having from chapter number 11, or chapter, technically chapter number 11 it starts, chapter number 29 it ends. Okay, chapter 29 it ends. Let's say 1 or 2 chapters are deleted from syllabus, we do know that. So there are 18 effective chapters. 18 effective chapters are there. 18 effective chapters in Companies Act plus, okay, plus 18 effective chapters under Companies Act plus 7 big economic laws are there. Okay, so 18 plus 7, 25. At least if we spend, okay, at least case scenario only I am taking, at least if we spend a time of, so if we spend a time of around 8 hours per chapter, it's bare minimum 8 hours. Okay, very minimum here. 8 hours per chapter, it will be taking 200 hours to complete the syllabus if you are genuinely completing the syllabus. Okay, so lot many students after taking the classes, they are very happy, but a minute little amount of students use it to make a comment. 200 hours, 210 hours, don't take, or 200 hours. First point, at least latest examination should become a clear winning lesson for us. Where we are going wrong, what wrong we are doing in examinations. So when we are learning should be complete. It should be a holistic completion of the syllabus. It should not be just 150, 160 hours. It cannot be completed, sir. You are not understanding the seriousness of this subject. So it cannot be completed. 150 hours, 160 hours means definitely minimum 7 to 8 chapters. It should be a PDF reading. That's all. No explanation. Then only it will be completed in 150 hours. or else it is immensely impossible to complete because demo lectures or whatever the case may be, I will be putting drive link also I will put there below the description box. Listen to the explanation of the main session. Original sessions, the complete sessions, how they will be, listen to the demo lectures. Demo lectures means I am not just recording classroom lectures, sir. Just now I recorded the live lectures. So I have a live interaction lectures are there. Recent December month recordings are there. So you can listen to that and understand the difference. So what we learned till now, what is the real intent of the law? Every chapter I will put one demo lecture. Directors law 1 or 2, managerial law 1 or 2, board meetings law 1 or 2. Okay, revision lectures say are like that. Then understand how the original lectures will be. Okay, so this time the lectures will be running into 200 to 210 hours. Till now we have completed 148 hours are completed till today. Still recordings are going on. So technically 150 hours completed. Another 50 hours lectures are there. We need to complete. And paper 60 is also getting recorded. That will be another 70 to 80 hours. This time I am concentrating more on covering the case laws on case studies. Okay, that will be separated from the normal lectures. Case laws and case studies, that also will be covered. Along with that, it will be around 140 hours. But I am not going to charge for that. I will put that free of cost. So everyone will be benefited because of that. Sorry, anyway. So that will be another 100 hours you can take. Totally 2 subjects 300 hours. Paper 4 will be 200 to 210. Okay. I will give you the details of each and every class very clearly. How many hours is this class? So you can check the total. As of now it is 148 by today. So another 40-50 hours you can take. It will be coming to around 198. Take another 5 to 10 hours extra. 200 hours or 210 hours, sir. Rigorous coaching on every subsection, every clause. Okay. If your friends have taken the latest classes, you can consult them. Whether what he said is true or not, you can check there. Okay. So because if that faithfulness or that truthfulness is not there in our classes, we can't survive till now. So 50 classes, 60 classes every month we are selling means that because of the honesty that we maintain while giving the classes. So it will be 200 to 210 hours lectures. So this will be covering entire syllabus without missing anything, a holistic completion of syllabus. Generally if you take law 150 hours, this extra 60 hours will add the cream layer to that. All important subsections, everything. Okay. Now, hours 200 to 210 hours it will be covered, sir. And number 3, books. First module will be the Companies Act module, updated completely. I will show you how the module is. I will make separate video on that. Completely updated. Bail Act was removed from that. Analysis was put. How the Bail Act has to be read, I will show you. Okay, even my demo lectures I will keep from each subject, will be there in the description box. Okay, you can see there. Second module will be from the economic laws, and third module will be the question bank. Fourth module will be the charts material. Okay, fourth module will be the charts material. Number 4, sir, applicable for which attempt? May and November 22 CA final exams, also applicable for CMA. So, May and November 22 CA final and CMA final examinations, it will be made applicable. So, 200 to 210 hours. Okay. So, plan accordingly. Take 6 months back. Okay. Daily listen to, daily you can listen to at least 2 lectures or 1.5 lecture at least. Okay. You will be given totally 1.5 views. Okay. With 8 months of validity. Better you take 8 months back. You can complete your syllabus like anything. Okay. So this is one announcement, sir. Next issue. Fast track classes are also getting recorded. Okay. I didn't start. I am starting on December 25th. Onwards I will be starting. By the end of January it will come. I recommend only those who have already taken coaching elsewhere. We who are not confident because of the latest question paper shock. Second one, those who have no time at all, only recommended in light of the new question papers that are released. it will not be recommended because so many concepts in this fast track lectures, this will be completed in 100 to 110 hours. Okay, I am telling you some chapters only normal layer touch will be given. Each and every point in-depth explanations don't expect in this. Okay, so I recommend only the repeaters who are there, who are not confident, to take this, or else please go for this. This gives immense confidence for you when you are learning. Okay, and fast track lectures I'm going to record, and I can't give a guarantee definitely on January 14th, because my normal lectures has to go on first. This is important for us. So because out of every 190 students, need is this one. So therefore first we will be concentrating on this. Anyway, revision lectures free of cost I am putting in YouTube. So fast track, when there is a need, you take it. Before exams, sir, I completed all the subjects except law, but I don't have time. Then go for this. Okay. So but point is, every point in depth we can't go in the time limit that is available. At that time, don't abuse me. Sir, this chapter you didn't cover completely. This section you didn't cover completely. That only came in exam. Don't abuse me later. Okay. So, but here, yes, you have every right to ask me. Every point, every section will be covered. Okay. So, the paper number 4, hours will be 200 to 210. Books will be, these are the 4 books. And don't believe in any rumors other than these. Okay. So, 200 or 300 hours, 300 hours, do you think I am a mad fellow to record for 300 hours? So, first point is, it will be for 200 to 210 hours, including the details of hours I will be giving you. 200 to 210 hours, totally including paper 60, paper 4 and 60 combo, 300 hours it will be. 200 hours paper 4, 100 hours paper 60, totally 300 hours it will be. So don't believe in any rumors, don't believe in any kind of false information that you receive about the classes. This is the only genuine information that will be available. Okay. And next one, with regard to the third point, after the fast track revision lectures anyway, sir, free of cost. Again, I will be recording for the May exams. Okay, definitely it will be put as a live before you. All the subjects will be, all the topics will be covered like in normal revision session, what we have already completed in the recent times. So everything I am giving you the guarantee, again I will be doing that. Okay, so, and this guarantee I can't give. I am trying to make it in the time schedule that is available for me. Okay, by the end of January I try to complete this, but this will be suggested only to those who are writing who don't have who didn't take coaching for remaining subjects, having lesser time, and already repeated coaching is there. At that time you can take this, sir. And even from the cost point of view, this is only recommended for you. Okay, if this is available for 7,000, this will be 5,000. So obviously 4,000 like that it will be priced. We didn't even think of price, because unless and until it is completed we can't fix that. So therefore, so this is the detail with regard to the drive classes. And this is with regard to the fast track. This is yet to be finalized, sir. Okay, plan is there. Revision lectures, anyway, I said very clearly, revision lectures already there in the YouTube channel. And I will also again do the lectures for the May examinations. I will be always at the reach with regard to revision. Next issue. This is with regard to the classes. For any kind of doubts, please put a message to this number over WhatsApp or Telegram. I will be answering your queries. Next one. So this will be available with 1.5 views with 8 months validity. Corporate and economic laws, brand new latest recordings. So 4 books will be given. Companies Act, economic law, question bank and charts, May and November 22 exams, etc. All these things are the details. With regard to the question bank and with regard to the charts, sir, company law charts material, humongous response we have received. Only 98 charts are available in Amazon. That's why always it is showing out of stock. Whenever we are sending, it is purchased, again it becomes out of stock. Question banks, there are totally 181 question banks are available. So if you want to take, and before May, again I will not release anything. So if you have to take, please take that. Only 98 charts are available as on today. So reprinting cannot be made before May 22. So 98 charts are available as on today. Just now I checked the Amazon database from my side. 98 materials are, that's why it is showing out of stock always. Because every time whenever I put 20-25 books in Amazon warehouse, they are getting sold. So thank you very much for the support. But still, after that people will be again putting me a message, such chart books are not available. When it is available, you buy it. So 98 charts material only available as on now. So all the books are sold out. And thank you very much for that kind support and confidence that you are giving to me. Always whenever I am making some positive effort to give something. Okay. So 98 color charts are material and available, and 181 question banks are available. So question banks are covering 800 questions on Companies Act. Full coverage of a Companies Act will be made. It gives immense confidence whenever you read the subject. Read the subject and do the question bank questions. Highest by any question bank in India with respect to the Companies Act. Same happens also with economic laws. It is under preparation now. Okay. So if you have to buy, please buy the charts book. Okay. Once it is available, only you buy it. After that, I can't do anything. Please. Later, you don't put me a message. Don't blame me as well. You are not making it available. When I make it available, you buy. Because economic law material, when it is available, many of the students neglected. After it is sold out, everyone put me a message. Sir, why it is not available? Why you are not making? Why? When I am making it available, you are not taking. Some other persons have taken. After that, you are asking me the question. So where is the logic? So please take when it is available. And it's not 1,000 rupees, 5,000 rupees or 800, 900 like any other charts material available. I put 375 rupees plus if the courier charges are there, Amazon, you can buy. Wherever you are, it will be received to you. So please try to understand, the limited number is available. You buy when it is available. Okay. So these are all the two books announcement is this one. And very, very important, my face-to-face batch is getting started in Hyderabad, KPMG from December 27th onwards. This will be again recorded. So this will be for 200 hours. It will be recorded. Okay. 200 hours. Daily the class will be for 3.5 hours this time. Okay. 3.5 hours it will be. So 200 hours classes will be there. So 200 hours complete law sessions will be there. That means it will be covering from 0 till 100. Everything will be covered. In the light of the latest papers, I take more care when I am covering the sections, when I am covering the subsections. I take immense care this time, more than the previous batches, because of in the light of the latest paper. How corner points he is asking. We have to do illustrations. We have to do research on the Bayer Act. Okay. Therefore, just branding is not important. We need to show that in reality. Okay. So now every time I use it to analyze entire section, entire Bayer Act, every point, nuke and corner. But this time we take more care. Let's interact with the students and ask to how they understood. Okay. So how they understood. Let's interact and complete of the entire syllabus. That's that. They should not feel difficulty in the hall. Okay. So it will be starting from December 27th in Hyderabad, KPMG, a face-to-face lecture. So avail this opportunity. So December 27, it will be for 200 hours. So complete coverage of syllabus will be made. Okay. This 100 marks will definitely give you a lifetime impression that I learn law in a correct sense. Okay. So thank you very much. These are the 3-4 announcements that I want to make. So with regard to the classes, new classes are available. And with regard to the fast track, we are making it. Revision definitely in the month of April I will be available. And if you have any doubts, you can ping me to that number or WhatsApp or Telegram. Question banks and chart books are under completion. Please take it when they are available. Face-to-face lectures are getting started in Hyderabad in KPMG December 27 for 200 hours. Clear, sir, everyone? So these are all the things that I want to announce. Thank you very much for your kind support always. So thank you very much. So please, and share this lecture video to your friends such that they will also know about the classes, details, etc. Okay. So thank you very much, sir. Thank you.